Sup, y'all? Dominoes 7 here. Okay. As y'all look behind me, the TV's gone. Okay. So there's so y'all see no more TV behind me. Okay. So there's a radio back there. Okay. So here we go. All right. So I want to let y'all know what was happening. Okay. There's no TV behind me because I bought that TV in my brother's room. Okay. Okay. Excuse me. All right. So as I was saying, folks, that TV was in my brother's room years ago. Okay. When we was living in New Iberia, and it was also in his room a long time ago. Okay. When we was living in Metairie. So I grabbed that television, bought it in my room. Okay, so I put that TV in my room Christmas of 2013. Okay, so that TV behind me is no longer behind me. Okay, alright, so that's the only thing different y'all see in this video. Okay, got my cable back on, got my internet back on cause I haven't done videos in a while. Okay, based on what happened in circumstances, you know. Alright. So I'm watching Alyssa White video, okay. So some of you know who Alyssa White is, you know. So the thing is though, I wish she would do a boyfriend tag, you know. I communicated with her and then she said her boyfriend is camera shy, you know. I wish he wasn't camera shy, you know, but they be together on Instagram and stuff like that, you know. So that's what happened though, okay. So the thing is, folks, all I do is try to do what's right and stuff like that. Try not to do the wrong thing. But all I'm saying is, if I'm doing something wrong, don't hide it from me. Let me know what I'm doing wrong, and I'll try my best to correct it, okay. I will try my best to correct it. I'm a friendly person. I don't mean nobody no harm and stuff like that. But check this out. If I would do something wrong, let me know in a nice, calm way. Don't yell at me. Don't curse me out or anything, you know. So remember that, folks. Don't yell at me or cuss me out or anything, you know. All right. And one more thing I want to talk about, okay? I know I mentioned something about Bianca being a phony friend and stuff like that. I call her a phony friend because she never calls me and stuff like that, you know? She never calls my phone. All she do is lie and say that I'm her best friend. Say I'm her best friend and she love me, you know? And one time she didn't call me for a whole year. You know, that's what I mean by being a phony friend, you know, because she waited a whole year without talking to me, you know. Not only that she waited a whole year, she waited months at a time to call me, you know, like weeks, months. She come to New Orleans without letting me know. I guess she didn't want to see me, you know. One time I post something on Facebook about her, you know, and then she was so happy to see it. Her coworker called me on the phone and saying she was in the bathroom crying because I hurted her feelings, you know. But on the serious side, though, I wouldn't have hurted her feelings if she would have told me that she was in the city, you know. All she could have told me was she was in the city at a parade. Or shall I say, at a second line, you know. If she would have told me that, then I would have been satisfied, you know. Then I would have fought through crowds to go see her, you know. So, oh Lord Jesus. So as I was saying, folks, I'm not a mean person until you make me mean, you know. Long as you don't do me wrong, treat me bad and stuff like that, or lie on me or whatever, If all I'm saying is, if I'm doing wrong, let me know instead of checking me and stuff like that, you know, or confronting me or whatever, or talking bad to me and stuff like that, you know. So, all I'm saying, folks, please let me know if I'm doing wrong. Sometimes I don't know what I'm doing wrong, you know. I make mistakes. I say stupid things that's offensive. Sometimes I say things out of line and don't know it. You know what I'm saying? So, as I was saying, folks, I say things out of ordinary. I try not to say things out of ordinary, you know. So, the thing about it, I don't mean to say things out of ordinary, you know. Okay? So, by me talking about this, that, and the other person and stuff like that, and saying some naughty stuff back in my day and throughout the times and stuff like that, you know. So, what I want to say is this, folks. All I'm saying, people, that I'm trying to do is right. I do some wrong things sometimes, though, you know. Sometimes I do some bad things and don't know what I'm doing. You know what I'm saying? So sometimes I'm a doer, sometimes I'm not a thinker. Sometimes I think before I do something. Sometimes I don't think when I do something, you know. And stuff like that. And y'all know, I remember I said Nala was coming back to the Dominoes 7 show. But unfortunately, Nala did not come back to the Dominoes 7 show. I don't know why she didn't come back to the Dominoes 7 show. I wanted her to come back to the Dominoes 7 show. But unfortunately, she didn't make it to the Dominoes 7 show. About to get on Snapchat and stuff like that. You know. Alright, so, I mean, she said she had to get her hair done and all that. But goddamn, she didn't even get her freaking hair done. You know. I don't know what's up with Nala, you know. Tried to talk to her one time. She didn't respond back. When I tell her some good news, she respond back. When I tell her some bad news, she respond, you know. So, like I said, she said that she loyal, you know. She like people that's loyal, you know. But check this out, y'all. I am loyal, okay? I'm a loyal person, and I don't and I don't like people stabbing Dominoes 7 in the back, you know. So the thing is, if you're not loyal, Dominoes 7 ain't dealing with you, you know. So the thing is, if you're not loyal to Dominoes 7, do not talk to Dominoes 7. You hear me? Alright? I'm a loyal guy and stuff like that. And not only being loyal to other YouTubers and watching their videos and stuff like Amy Morales, you know. She haven't made a video in a while, you know. Probably in a whole year, you know. I just wish she would make a boyfriend tag. She had that video with this guy. I don't know if this. Well, I don't think they're still together anymore. You know. Okay. Amy Morales. You know. I really like her videos though. No matter what she do. And I also love Lizzie Velasquez. You know. I support Lizzie Velasquez through thick and thin. Okay. Being jealous of Roman Arispe because Roman Arispe was hanging with Lizzie, and then I wanted to, you know, I had a simple crush on Lizzie. Oops, I shouldn't have said that. You know. I wonder if Lizzie gonna watch this. Well, I'm not sure of that. You know. So. The thing is, Lizzie Velasquez, I'm very much loyal to her videos, though. Just as much as I'm loyal to Lovely T and Philip from that Vice show, okay? I also watch Nuda Lodge show, the Lead show, okay? With Trey, okay? So, he's cool, though. Alright? Anybody else that do commentaries, you know? Like that, you know. Damn, I'm so tired. I gotta clean up this damn room, you know. I do need to clean this damn room, you know. Got to, you know. Pick up all this mess. It's a shame for me to say that, and I'm on TV, you know, national TV or internet or wherever y'all watching me at. I don't know if y'all watch me on your tablet, Kindle, or whatever it is, you know, or your cell phone or whatever. Okay, y'all probably in the computer. Y'all probably sitting on your computer watching me, or y'all laying in your bed watching me on the TV or whatever, you know. Okay. So after my mom passed, I try to do everything that's right, you know. But sometimes I screw up on things, you know. I try not to screw up though, you know. All right. So all I'm saying, folks, I'm a loyal person and stuff like that. If I do wrong, I ain't mean to do it, you know. Okay? So, all I'm saying, folks, I'm very much glad that I do videos on YouTube and everything else. Trying to be recognized, trying to be over the top, you know. I love doing my videos. I love chilling. I love hanging out and everything else, you know. Okay. So when I sometimes I say when I say goals, I'm in control, trying to be in control of things, you know. But I know I'm capable of doing things on my own, being independent and stuff like that, like Lizzie Velasquez and some people that's on disability and stuff like that, you know. Yeah, I'm on disability, trying to get out there, trying to have fun in my house though, because I'm a homebody from time to time, you know. Never go places like talking about unless I'm going to the damn store or riding a bus or whatever, you know. So that's all Dominoes 7 have to say, you know. As far as that, something always going on downstairs. But all right, I'm gonna talk to y'all. Okay, bye.